Okay, this is 10.1, the side angle side triangle congruence using transformations. So the idea behind side angle side is that you have two triangles. You know that two of the sides are the same. So this side is the same as that one. That side is the same as that side. Instead of saying the same, we would say congruent. And then the angle that's formed by those two sides is also congruent. You don't have to know that all the sides are the same. You don't have to know that all the angles are the same. You technically only need to know that these two sides are the same, or that are congruent, and the angle's congruent. Therefore, if we know all that, then we would know that these angles are the same and that this side is the same as that side, or is congruent to that side. I should say congruent. So you have to just know that that's the included angle. And they have a description of why it works, which is really cool, but we're just going to go to the problem. So examine this to see if that is the same thing. So we have 3 and 4.5. Let's see, 3, 4.5. That's the included angle between those two sides is 63.4. That's 63.4. So yes, it's true. The rotation will map that onto DEF. Let's see, what is it in a rotation? If I were to turn that around, let's check. A, B, C goes in a clockwise thing. So DEF, DEF, that's also clockwise. So it would be a rotation and not a reflection. And by the side angle side, they are congruent. So, and I would not see a reflection with that. You'd have to be a couple reflections. All right. Then this one. Same pictures as we had above. So as translation can be applied to triangle ABC in a way that AC coincides with KM and BC coincides with LM, and this causes angle C to correspond to angle M. Can you be sure? How can you be sure that AB is congruent to KL? So you can be sure because they would be the endpoints of AB coincide with the endpoints. Oh, this is whenever there's a congruent triangle, the triangles are congruent, so the sides must also be congruent. And another answer that they've used popularly is this one. So I'm going to answer it with the one I have, see what they say. And if it's not that, I can go back in and I know that it's the coinciding part. See, retake. So coming back here. So not the reflection, side angle side, and rotation. Then the next one. So it's the endpoints coincide. Okay. See how nice it is and how fast that was? I could learn from my mistake. I knew that there was a risk in going and answering the other one, but I did read it right away, so not a big deal.